It's the Littlest Pet Shop Getting Glamorous Pet Styling Pack from Hasbro. Design your world your way. Now you can customize your Littlest Pet Shop pets with fashionable poses and glamorous accessories. Mix and match interchangeable outfits, accessories, and deco bits to dress up your Princess Story Jameson dog, Delilah Barnsley cat, and 2 additional pets. Then play with these pets digitally with the Littlest Pet Shop Your World app. Each of the pets included in the Gettin' Glamorous Pet Styling Pack includes a unique code you can scan to bring them to life in the game. Play games to level up your pets and unlock rooms and accessories to make your digital pet shop the best pet shop ever. The Gettin' Glamorous Pet Styling Pack is for kids ages 4 and up and comes with 4 pets and over 20 accessories including changeable fashions, wigs, and deco bits. It's the Littlest Pet Shop Gettin' Glamorous Pet Styling Pack from Hasbro.